no nicer witch than you.
We're on our way to Stettler, guys. Just grabbing a few last minute things for snacks in the car. You saw the car, it's pretty packed. I'm gonna give you a tour of the car in a moment here. Let's check it out. This is Alex's seat. We almost didn't have our dry cleaning in time, but we decided to leave later so that we could get the dry cleaning. So we're gonna arrive in Stettler basically right when we have to set up the show. All right, here's Terry's seat. I look bald if I go like this. I won't do that. They're taking forever right now. What's up? They're taking forever right now. So, just chilling, waiting. So today's probably gonna be another long episode. Kind of mixing it up. I wanna know, you guys have to let me know. Do you like the long episodes or the short episodes? I think I alluded to it a few days ago with the new intro and everything, but yeah, you gotta let me know. First gas brake. Where are we? I don't know where we are. But it's the first gas brake. You guys doing okay in there?
Yep.
All right, we're checked in. Now we're gonna go set up at the venue. Not a bad hotel room, actually. Not bad. Yeah. Hola. Stage setup first. Photo booth going up. Terry and Alex set things up. Sound check. And then we can relax for a couple minutes before coming back here. Yeah. All right, guys, we are all set up. Back at the hotel now, and we're gonna get ready, get changed, showered up. Last few things to get ready, like the computer stuff. But hey, I wanna show you guys something. It's on my car. Probably haven't seen it yet. It's my winter tires, they have spirals. Check it out. We're dressed, ready to go. Let's do this.
Yeah!
You gonna crush it?
I mean, I guess I have to.
Hey, tell me anything. We'll
Yeah.
go crazy.
Nice.
Come on, G, they waiting. Come on, G, kick it.
Finished roving magic, dinner time, and then the show is after this. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoying this episode. We're enjoying the food.
And there will be a lot of head scratching for those people, kind of like a 2-game Oilers win streak. That's
Everybody up on stage, when you open your eyes next, you all 5 of you have won the lottery. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to read the numbers out, so if you have your tickets, please pull your tickets out. First number. Ready? First number is 5. 62. 31. 42. 8. And the last number, $5 billion. 16. So all 5 of you won? You guys are gonna have to share that. No. Yeah, you guys each get $1 billion. Okay. What are you gonna do with your money?
Go to Disneyland.
Buying the boys' gloves.
I'm gonna retire. Travel the road and retire.
Right on.
I'm never working again.
Yeah, well, hey, I have some good news for you guys. You know, the prize money should be here shortly. We just gotta wait for them to come, so if you guys just want to have a seat and we'll just, we'll wait for them to come. Yes, collect your prize. Oh, hello? Oh, wait a second, what? Well, that was yesterday. Those are yesterday's numbers? Like I just told these guys they won. Can we give them something? Nothing? They get nothing. Really? Okay. Well, I guess I'll try to break the news to them, but okay. Guys,
No, we heard.
you heard? It's out of my hands, guys. Like, I don't know. They gave me the wrong ticket to read off. And I'm sorry, you guys didn't win today.
Some kind of operation. My name is Hadlen. Have a great night. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Hadlen. Let's give him a good round of applause.
And just like that, this show's over, guys. Great crowd, loved it. Time to have fun. Photo booths on. That's awesome. Thanks for having me, guys. Team photo time. Back at the hotel now. That was a great event. So let's hear from these guys.
Great show, Hadlen.
Great show. Pizza in 30 minutes.
Hi.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow!
Hey,
Hi.
you excited for tomorrow? Yeah? Nice. How about you, sir? Excited for tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah?